Hello guys, Shraddha here. In this video I won't talk about Quora or Quora marketing. In this video I will mainly focus on what is writing, what are the ways, what are the platforms where you can write, how like if you are not in writing profession, you are just an engineer or some professor or just normal person, but you want to write a book, you want your name in that book as an author. So yeah, there are some ways that you can do it and you can write book by your own. You need not to put a single penny to spend to write a book. Yeah, there are so many ways, but I'll share the best way out of these so many ways. Guys, we have discussed about what is Quora marketing, what is Quora space, what are the benefits of having your space, or what are the benefits of having your company's space. Okay, so we have discussed about lot of things related to Quora, and I would request you guys, like if you have started writing answering on Quora, or you have started working for Quora to get into QPP, then if you are facing any kind of problem, just let me know. I'll try to resolve your query, as around 3 to 4 queries I have received within 2 to 3 days. And yeah, I'm thinking to make one video once I'll get 15 to 20 queries, so that like I can touch different kind of problems that you guys are facing. So if I talk about today's video, we will talk about what is writing. And if you are not a writer and you are very bad in writing, but still you want your name in that book as an author, so what are the ways that you can do, or what are the ways that you can follow to do so. So if I talk about what is writing, so writing is nothing but the way one person used to write or used to carve words into paper. See, if I am reading a book, I am a reader, but the person who has written it, he or she is a writer, and the whatever words we are like reading, that's his writing or her writing. So if we will start writing or carving our words into paper, that would be our writing. So writing is nothing but the way we are putting words, or we are carving words or thoughts into paper or on paper, that's nothing but writing. Okay, so second thing is why would one person go in this profession. So there are lot of things. See, I am a software engineer, I am a writer, I am an author, and I am a digital marketer, I am a Quora and LinkedIn influencer. So that's good if I not just like you are feeling good that yeah, I have done so a lot of things so far, but I am sharing these things, I am feeling good. Whenever someone asks me to introduce myself, I don't hesitate, because I have content, I know who am I know what are the achievements that I have that I have got and that I have achieved, and I have lot of stuff to share, like what who are you. So I have a big answer for this, so I won't hesitate before replying this question, like before answering this question. So if you are a software engineer, and just think about it, that you are writing a book but you are a software engineer, so how will like writing will be beneficial for your personal life. So you have written a book, now you can you can call yourself as an author, you can tell someone that yes, you have written this book. It doesn't mean whatever the sales in and whatever the things, but still I have some tactics that with the help of which you use those tactics, and you can start like getting good response to like sell your book. Okay, now the second thing is, what are the ways, or how, if you really want to get into writing, so what to do, how to start. First thing is, you should think about some topics. I would suggest you to share your life journey, like if you have traveled from one place to another, but you something went wrong or something went so amazing that you would love to share with people. So such kind of life journey, just think of the journey, carve it into words, or like it's good if you are good in Hindi or your local language, so that's good, that's also good. it's not that important that you have to write only in English. The thing is, how is your content? Your content should be good, and like there it should be like, it's fine if length is too short, but the quality should be very good, because you have to engage the person or the reader till the end of your article or till the end of your book. So there should be one link, like if I am reading one page, so I'm something like, there is something like I'm thinking what would happen in next page, so I am willing to read next page. So things should be like this. Like you need not to put everything on first page, just save something for like some suspense or some attractive kind of things for next pages. That's the like strategy to write a book, so that your readers got engaged and like they can read the complete book. And once a reader is finishing one book, they'll for sure they'll share their review, or they'll acknowledge for whatever book you have written. So if I talk about what are the platforms where you can write, so first thing is I would suggest you to write on Quora. Then second thing is I would suggest you to write on Story Mirror. Story Mirror is one of the most emerging platform in India within, if I talk about like within 1 to 2 years. I am a writer on Story Mirror. I know the like their what should I say, the decorum that they have maintained, and whatever, whenever you will write, there would be a lot of authors, they'll come and they'll like your post, they'll comment for it. If there is any mistake, they'll tell you what mistakes are there and how can you improve yourself in the field of writing. So there are a lot of things. I have learned a lot from like Story Mirror, because whenever I used to write articles, my frequency was 4 articles per week or 6 articles within 2 weeks. So that was my frequency that I used to follow when I was a regular author on or writer on Story Mirror. And amazingly, you can also write a book on Story Mirror, but I would suggest you to go for Notion Press. Do one thing, start your writing career on Quora, answer for 1 or 2 questions, and then meanwhile you can portray or you can write small stories based on your life experience. Just download document in your phone, Google document, start writing small stories in those like in Google document, and then copy from there and paste in this is create an account on Story Mirror, paste your small article there. Like it would be a like kind of article or post, or put like a story. There would be sections like quote, story, or this article. So you can go for story, or like whatever. If you are willing to write poem, then you can go for poem. Okay, so once you have started writing there, you can get like, if you are writing 4 lines today, then you will be willing to increase the number of lines. By tomorrow you will start writing 8 lines, and within 10 to 15 days you can easily write 10 to 15, like around I think 1000 or 1500 words. That's great, that's just great. And once you have started writing 1000 to 1500 words, just think of one topic on which you can write a lot of things, remember. Because if you are writing a book, that's not if you are writing just 3 to 4 pages, because there is a limit that a lot of like websites have set, or writing platforms have set, that you have to have written at least 70 or 50 pages. If you are writing 70 to 50 pages, then only they'll publish your book, or else it would be a kind of waste. So you should have content. Start point like first thing is, what would be your title? Based on that title you can start writing like stuffs in pointers, and then just on daily basis take one pointer of whatever table of contents or subtitles you have written. Take one subtitle, start expanding them it, whatever heading it is. If I say that digital marketing, then under digital marketing it's SEO, that is search engine optimization. So yeah, I can write around 8 to 10 pages on search engine optimization. There would be on page, off page. I can give some examples to make my audience understand, and also to engage my audience. I can give some examples, and also if I have faced some difficulties while doing digital marketing, I will be sharing that too. So yeah, now you can expand these things. And now once you are done with your first topic, just go to Notion Press, create your account there, start writing a book. Wherever you stuck, you just let me know, I'll help you out. And don't hesitate to reach me, just reach me. And just let me know where you have got stuck, where what are the difficulties that you are facing. Just let me know these things, I'll try to resolve your queries. And also there is some assistant there in, I think, um, like in that window you can get one assistant in bottom right side, yes. So she, I think there is a girl, yes, she will assist you whenever you are in need. So they would be like, if you are in cover page, so they'll ping you, hey, whatever your name is. So yeah, cover page is very important. You have to think about like good cover page, and in this way they'll engage you and they'll support you, like from the very beginning to the end. So yes, if you want any kind of a help, you can ask them, you can ping that assistant. Or still, if there is some query or you are unable to expand like topics or whatever content you are writing, just let me know, I can help you in that. And you will be the author. I won't I won't ask you to include my name. Yes, you will be the only author for that book. Once you are done with your writing part, you can you can make your cover page more creative, more great. And then after writing cover page, you can save and continue. Then you can check your books, like book there would be some, yeah. Before jumping in the main content, you can write your preface, acknowledge, prologue. There are 6 to 7 sections. Dedication, whom you want to dedicate your book. And these are some of the sections that if you are filling, it will look like a book. Like whenever we read a book based on any like technical or subjects, academic subjects, so there are perfect sequence, like table of content, and before that, I think preface, prologue, acknowledge, dedication, these things would be there. And at the end there would be something like references or table of index. That is, they'll ping some words. If I'm writing digital marketing book, so like digital marketing, SEO, on page of page, so these words would be there in the last page of in the last page of the book as a index, or like whatever important points are, so they'll include these words there and with number of pages. But I don't want, i I think this is not that important. But yes, prologue, preface, acknowledge, these things are very important, and it's good if you are focusing on these two. And just try to like collect some word that you can use in the very beginning, because if starting is good, you can write pretty well. So yeah, that's not a tough thing, and you can try doing this, and just do it. And if you face any kind of problem, just let me know. I'll reply there, then and there. And still, if I got late to see your reply, then I'll reply after some days, or I'll help you out. I'll come out of my comfort zone, and try to help you out. And yes, I'll try to make your writer journey very smooth. So that's it for today, and I'll come with, I think, on Quora marketing. I'll make video after 3 to 4 weeks, because I'm trying to get like 15 to 20 questions. And once I'll get these questions, I'll make one video, so that everyone can understand. Like if I am sharing my problem, and someone is replying for that problem, so that would be only one problem. But if there are 15 people who are asking some questions, and I am replying for these problems, so each other, like there is connection. Like if I have problem, someone else problem, so if I'm getting a reply for his or her problem, so that's good. I am learning something. I know that what are other problems that people are facing, so that's good. If I get to know some other kind of problems. So yes, I'll come after 3 to 4 weeks. I'll continue with writing. I'll continue with digital marketing videos. But based on if I talk about Quora marketing, so after 3 to 4 weeks, I'll come up with a long video, that is like where I'll write down some questions, and I will be replying for these kind of questions. And yes, if you are facing any kind of problem in your Quora journey, just let me know. I am waiting for your messages, and I'll for sure I'll help you out. and you can like gain yeah. And it's Tuesday, so I think by today itself I'll get my Quora like earnings, and that's good. That's something that excite me on monthly basis, so I want you to also get excited in the same manner like I used to get. So yeah, that's it for tomorrow, and see you soon. And yeah, it would be good if you can share this video, and you can talk about my channel a bit with your members, with your family members, or not family members, your friends or whoever. Yeah, like you can share, or that's good if they are also getting get to know some kind of like extra knowledge, and yeah, that would be beneficial for me too. So that's it for today. I'll see you after I think 1 week or 6 days. I'm trying to like increase my frequency, because I want you to learn a lot of things, because I have knowledge and I want that to share with each and everyone. And for that I have to make videos, I have to upload it on time. And yes, I'll try to put at least 2 videos on weekly basis. So that's my target for now, because if I am sharing it like earlier, so that's easy for you to start working on it. And whenever you face problem, just let me know. And yeah, thank you so much, thank you for listening. And I hope you will like this video will get you excited to write a book of your name. So yeah, do this and let me know if you have any kind of problem. Thank you so much.